my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spotted puff spot. Just for peace. Drop the dot and now we plot. Beside the peace. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count presidents. Portuguese on her knees. Mopping down the weed. She let me squeeze and she leave. Cause she keep the P. Privacy, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah.
Got all this back assembled and fixed the horn. I'll work on this side. Work over here though. Alright, let me keep on wiring and fixing stuff. I got all my stuff in the loom. Alright, we got the lights working. Now we gotta do the other side. All the lights for the other side. I think I'm done, man. It's 9 something. Should I put me in about a good 7 hours today? 3 something. I'm gonna make me a list like I do. We just gonna knock the list down. That's it. That's all we can do. Yep. Alright, y'all, one of the last videos pertaining to this car. Close y'all out on this video. This is the dash getting painted in the other LS Lock Chevy. I still got overspray. God dang. Gotta clean all that up tomorrow. Some of the tan that's up there, it was already up there. The dash used to be tan. Then it had the wood grain kit on it. Kind of covered it up. But yeah, I'm just unwrapping everything. I think it's the cruise control. This was running alongside of the column and it was black. So it wasn't noticeable. So now it'll be kind of noticeable. I don't know if this car got cruise control though, because it's LS Lock. Not sure. Probably do though. I have to test. I'm trying to get all this stuff off so I can start cleaning up. Paint came out pretty decent. Yep. Yep, paint came out pretty alright. So let me unwrap this and then I'll cut y'all back on. Alright. So I'm in the process of cleaning out all the overspray. Some of it, a lot of it, is tan. And it's not brown, so I know it ain't me. Then that's black down there. That's tan. Definitely wasn't me. 10 speckles. I'm trying to clean a lot of it up. But dash came pretty alright. Came out pretty alright. I ain't have enough spray steering wheel. Probably just spray steering wheel black. I know I can get some black vinyl paint pretty cheap. $10. Just I don't want it sticking out like a sore thumb. So now I don't think it was an ashtray. Yeah, it was, but it just won't be painted because ran out of paint. Once again, it's gonna be hid though, so it don't really matter. Yeah, console gonna butt up to the dash, so it's gonna be hid. But y'all tell me what y'all think so far. So far. Yeah, got the lower piece on the floor. It's cleaned up. I gotta start cleaning all this stuff up. But I'm keep spraying off this overspraying dirt just because I want it to look real nice when I take pictures. Try to get all this up. All this. Look. I'm gonna just drop the dash back down because I don't want it to hit this paint. Drop the column back down, I mean. Yeah. So yeah, that's the project for tomorrow, man. Just put the whole car back together. The armrest done. Console right here. Yeah, console right there done. Whole back of the half of the car put back together. So literally all I have to do is run the armrest for the other side, the lights for them. Lights for the seat on that side and on the dash. Put the rest of the car back together. I still gotta do the big three, which be quick. I'll be down to 2 cars. Friday, 2 cars. Yep. 2 cars on Friday. Amen.